Hi, I'm Rachana. I'm a chef, food therapist and nutrition educator, and you're watching The Good Tiffin. The Good Tiffin packs in fortified recipes that are easy, healthy and delicious. Fortified means we add that extra dose of goodness and take these recipes few notches up health-wise without compromising on the taste. I fortify the recipes with simple ingredients that are rich in vitamins and minerals and are easily available in your kitchen. At the end of each recipe, you will find the Good Tiffin Nutrimeter that gives you important nutritional information and helps you make an informed choice. Today we are going to make 2-in-1 pizza pasta sauce. It's very easy to make, super yum, and it's free of all the artificial preservatives, colors and chemicals. We are fortifying this sauce with, wait for it, pumpkin and chia seeds. Don't you worry, you can't taste them, they blend very well. So now you can make those yummy pastas and pizzas at home without compromising on your health or taste. Next Friday we are going to do an interesting recipe using this sauce. So let's talk about our fortifying ingredients. Pumpkin. It is a rich source of choline, omega-3, potassium and various antioxidants like vitamin A, vitamin C, beta-carotene, etc. So it is great for your heart, brain and skin health. Chia seeds are a boon for vegetarians as they are very rich in omega-3. Also, being rich in selenium, they are great for those with hypothyroid. If you have any questions or suggestions regarding my recipes or fortification, please feel free to ask me in the comment section below. So let's get started and make this yummy 2-in-1 pizza pasta sauce. Our 2-in-1 pizza pasta sauce is almost ready. Now I'm going to add this powdered chia seeds into the sauce. Powdered chia seeds will absorb extra moisture so that the sauce doesn't leave water, and will also add additional nutrients like omega-3 to the sauce. And it's a far better option than using corn flour. So our 2-in-1 pizza pasta sauce is ready. If we are not preserving it or storing it for a long time, we can use fresh basil leaves. But here I'm going to show you how to preserve and store this for a longer period. So we are going to add 2 teaspoons of lemon juice to the sauce. So we are going to store the sauce in a glass bottle. The important part is that you don't fill the bottle all the way up, and make sure that the rims are absolutely clean. So 1 kg of tomatoes will give us 2 such bottles of sauce. Now I am going to add 1 tablespoon of olive oil to the sauce. This will help preservation along with lemon juice. So I've made this delicious spaghetti using our 2-in-1 pizza pasta sauce. Looks amazingly scrumptious. I'm just going to dig in. Do try this sauce and enjoy your pizzas and pastas. Like, share and subscribe. Click on the bell icon and never miss a single easy, healthy and delicious recipe from the Good Tiffin.